Welcome to Secret, a decentralized, privacy-first communication platform. This is the start screen, where you can either sign up or sign in. Let's tap Sign Up to create a new account. The sign-up process starts with a name. This name appears in chats and communities, and its visibility can be adjusted later in privacy settings. On this screen, let's name ourselves Bob, and then tap the Continue button to move on. This sign-up step introduces 3 key privacy choices during onboarding: adding a phone number to find contacts, deciding who can interact with you, and selecting where all your encrypted account data will be backed up. In the phone number section, you can add your phone number, but only if you want to. Secret onboarding is completely anonymous, and this step is entirely optional. If you do share your number, it's only used to help find people you already know on the platform, and nothing more. Let's skip this step by tapping the No button. The Privacy Settings section allows you to decide who can see your profile, find, message, or call you, or invite you to communities and groups. Let's just keep everything as is. We can always change the privacy settings later. And finally, in the Hosting Server section, you choose where your account data will be backed up. By default, Secret suggests a verified hosting server, but you're free to select another. You can even choose to store everything only on your device, with nothing kept online. Just keep in mind, without a host, things like message delivery while offline or restoring your data on a new device won't be available. No matter what you choose, all your data always stays encrypted. Only your devices can decrypt it. Let's go with the default host and tap the Continue button. This step offers to access your device contacts to help find people you already know using Secret. Contact data is never uploaded. Everything stays on your device, and your privacy remains intact. Let's skip this step for now. We can always enable contact access later in the settings. This step offers to enable notifications for messages, calls, and community invites. It's helpful, but entirely optional. You can choose what suits your privacy preferences. Let's skip this step for now. We can always enable notifications later in the settings. Now comes the most important part: your mnemonic password. This is a 12-word seed phrase that grants access to your account. We never store it, ever. Save it somewhere safe. If you lose it, you'll lose access to your account permanently. Let's tap the Continue button. The next step reminds you again. This password is your responsibility. To proceed, you'll need to confirm you understand that recovery isn't possible without it. Let's check the checkbox to continue to account creation. Lastly, this screen shows a simple verification step to confirm you are a real person and not a bot. Let's solve the Captcha to continue. And that's it. Your secret account is ready. Anonymous, secure, and completely yours. Just a heads up. Secret is currently in beta, so things may evolve quickly as we continue improving based on community feedback. Let's tap the Continue button to enter the home screen. This is your home screen, the central hub for all your conversations and connections. Since you've just joined, things are still quiet, but that's about to change. Let's have a quick overview of the home screen. We're currently on the Messages tab. This section displays all your recent conversations. Since this is a new account, it's empty for now. but that will change soon. Next is the People tab. This section helps you discover and connect with people you already know, or meet new ones on Secret. We'll add some contacts later. Next, we have the Plus button. Tapping it opens a menu with 3 options. Create Community lets you start your own space, public or private, for any shared interest. Join Invitation allows you to join existing communities using a link or QR code. Explore Communities helps you browse existing communities across Secret and join with a single tap. On the bottom, we have 5 buttons. Home, that's the tab we're currently on. Calls shows your recent voice and video calls. Search allows you to search across messages, people, and communities. The Wallet tab opens your integrated crypto wallet, where you can send, receive, buy, or sell tokens, and access advanced wallet features. And finally, the User Settings screen is where you manage your account settings. Since we're already on the User Settings screen, let's update our profile photo to distinguish ourselves from others. Let's select a new photo and tap the Save button to update our profile photo. Nice. Now that our profile photo is updated, let's return to the home screen. Now, let's head over to the People tab to find someone we already know. Let's type in Alice into the search bar. Nice. Looks like we found a user named Alice. Let's tap the plus button to add her as a contact. While adding a contact, we can customize her name and photo as we'd like them to appear in our contacts, or simply keep her original profile. Press Add Contact button to add Alice to our contact list. There we go. Alice is now in our contact list. Let's go ahead and send her a message. This is our direct chat with Alice. Let's send her hello. Here comes a reply. Quick and smooth. Let's send an emoji by tapping the emoji icon and choosing one that fits the vibe. We can also share a sticker or even a GIF to keep the conversation expressive and fun. Let's go back to the home screen and explore public communities. We'll scroll through the list and find the React community. Let's tap Join button. Before joining, we're given the option to use a different name, profile picture, or even join completely anonymously. Let's tap Customize Profile. Here we will change our avatar just for this community. Hit Save. And now we're ready. Let's press Join to join the community. And just like that, we're in. Let's see what we can do as a community member. Every community is made up of channels, each one focused on a different topic of discussion. We can also view the full list of community members. We can see us listed with the customized avatar we just set. If we ever want to update our look or name in this community, we can tap on ourselves and choose Edit Member Profile. Let's open the general channel and see what's being discussed. Here in the general channel, members of the React community are chatting about a variety of topics. We can see users sharing messages, images, files, and polls. Let's introduce ourselves and join the conversation. Great. A few people are already welcoming us. Let's respond with an audio message. Just hold to record and release to send. If the channel allows rich media, we can share voice and video messages seamlessly. Now let's try sharing some media. We'll tap the plus button. This opens a menu where we can choose to send photos, files, our location, contacts, or even create a poll. Let's share a photo. We'll pick one from our gallery and tap the send button to post it in the channel. If you ever want to review what's been shared in the channel, just swipe right. This opens the content panel, starting with info, which shows basic community details. Images and videos displays all shared visuals. Files lists every document exchanged here. The Links tab collects all external URLs shared in the channel. Audio and video messages offers a tidy archive of clips. And finally, the Polls tab shows all polls created in this space. Now that we've explored how a community works, let's return to the home screen and walk through creating one ourselves from scratch. Let's tap the Create Community button. On the Community Creation screen, we'll start by entering the basics: a photo, a name, and a short description for our new community. Now, let's press the Continue button to move on. Let's configure the privacy settings for this community. First, we can choose the content visibility, either public or private. Let's keep it public. Then, we can choose the Join policy. The Join policy can be open, anyone can join. By request or invitation, only by invitation, only by payment. Let's keep it open, so anyone can join our community. Next, let's decide whether this community should appear in public search results. We'll keep it visible for now. Next, we select where the community's data will be hosted. This includes all community settings, members, messages, and shared files. By default, we have the default host selected, a secure hosting server managed by Secret. But we can also pick from a list of verified alternative hosts, or even choose to host the community ourselves. In that case, all community data lives locally, and the community will only work when our device is online. This setup is great for private, offline first use cases, but it does come with availability trade-offs. Let's go with the default host for now. Lastly, we can choose to customize our member profile. This time, we won't make any changes. Let's tap Create to finish setting up our community. Now our community is live. Let's invite some people we know to join. Let's wait and see if anyone accepts our invitation. Great! Our friend Alice just joined. Welcome aboard. Let's make things more organized by creating a new channel. Done. That was easy. Let's create a couple more. And now we've got a well-structured space to collaborate. Let's create a private channel and invite Alice to it. Only members of this channel will be able to see the conversation. Done. We now have a dedicated private space with Alice. Let's say hi. There she is, replying back. This conversation stays completely within this private channel. All right, let's head back and explore what else we can do as a community admin. Let's open the Community menu and tap on Settings. Now, we're in the Community Settings screen. Let's go through each item one by one. First up, the Profile section. Here we can update the community's name, avatar, and description anytime to keep things fresh or rebrand. Let's go back. Next, General Settings. From here, we can toggle whether the community is public and searchable. Change the join policy. For example, restrict who can join or make it invitation only. Migrate the community to a different hosting server. Transfer ownership to another member. Or delete the community entirely if needed. Let's go back. Next, Channels Management. Here, we can create new channels, rename or delete them, or reorder how they appear. We can also create categories to group related channels together. Let's go back. Next, Panels Management. Panels appear on the right-hand side of each channel and are perfect for adding helpful content. You can create two types of panels, link panels and text-based panels. Let's go back. Next, Stickers Management. Communities can upload custom sticker packs that all members can use. Let's go back. Next, Tags Management. Tags are useful for organizing content within your community. Let's go back. Next, Members Management. From here, we can edit member roles and permissions, remove members from the community, or ban them if necessary. Let's go back. Next, Roles Management. This is where we define custom roles and assign specific permissions to each one. Let's go back. Next, Invitations Management. Invitations shows us the status of all the invites we've sent out. Let's go back. And finally, we've got additional moderation tools. Bans, to view or issue bans for disruptive members. Reports, to review reports submitted by the community. And Audit Log, to track what actions were taken by whom over the community. We just covered community settings. Let's head back to the home screen and keep exploring what else Secret makes possible. Secret also lets you post and view stories. Here, we see stories posted by our contacts. Let's add one ourselves. We will tap Add Story. We can capture something with our camera or choose from the gallery. Let's pick a photo from the gallery. Let's add a caption to the story and choose how long it stays visible. Once we're done, we'll tap the Next button. Here, we can configure who can see the story. Let's tap the Post Story button to publish it. The story has been successfully posted. Now our friends can view it and send reactions back. Now, let's check out the Calls tab. You'll see all your recent audio and video calls here. Right now, it's empty, but as you start connecting, they'll show up here. Let's take a look at the built-in crypto wallet. At the top, we see our wallet address and balance. Below, we have access to key actions, buy tokens, sell tokens, swap between assets, bridge tokens across networks, send and receive tokens. If we want to use more than one wallet, we can open the Switch Wallet menu and create additional ones. We can also add new networks, including custom RPCs and testnets. All transactions are secured and integrated into the secret platform. Now let's take a look at user settings. Here, we can customize our main profile, add a status, and configure our account preferences. Let's go through each item in the user settings. First up, the account section. Here we can set or change our phone number, sync phone contacts to find friends, manage passkeys, export our data, change our account's host, or delete the account entirely. Let's go back. Next, the My Profiles section. This is where we can customize both our global profile and our community-specific profiles. Let's go back. Next, the Appearance section. This is where we can customize the app's look, switching between light and dark modes. Let's go back. Next, the Language section. Here we can change the app's language. Currently, only English is available, but more languages are on the way. Let's go back. Next, the Join Requests section. In this section, we can manage our pending join requests to different communities. Let's go back. Next, the Notifications section. In this section, we can manage our general notification settings, enable or disable sound effects, and control in-app notification style. Let's go back. Next, the Privacy and Security section. Under Privacy and Security, we can control who can see our profile details, who can message or call us, who can invite us to groups, whether screenshots are allowed, and whether unverified users can interact with us. Let's go back. Next, the Passcode section. Here, we can set up a passcode to lock and protect the app. Let's go back. Next, the Blocked People section. This is where we can block users we don't want to interact with us. Let's go back. Next, the Devices section. Under Devices, we can view and manage all our devices linked to our account. Let's go back. Next two items are Become a Host, which lets us turn our account into a full-featured content host for communities, and Help, where we can find answers to common questions while using the secret app. The last item is the Sign Out button, letting us securely sign out of the application when we're done. That's it for our walkthrough of Secret, a new kind of messaging, private, decentralized, and truly yours. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear your feedback.